If you want to set photo as a watch face on this HUAWEI Watch Fit 5 Pro, first of all open the Huawei Health application, go to the devices and select your watch. Now you have to go for My Faces. Now go to the Manage Local Watch Faces and you have to select Gallery. Now wait a little bit, click on the images and you can take the photo right now, or you can select image from your gallery. So for me, I would like to get, for example, this one. You have to select the picture that you want to add, and now you can scale if you want. So you can pinch in or pinch out. Click on the right upper corner to apply, and as you can see, you can even add more pictures. So how it will look? Well, you are picking another picture, you are gonna scale this picture, click here, and now you can also find some other options to actually customize this if you want, but now just click apply and wait a little bit. It's transferring this image into our watch, and after a few seconds we'll be able to find it.